building inside of me. I'm trying all my best to get rid of my anxiety. Of my anxiety. Feels like I'm under my skin, but it's not getting in. I just cannot reach the ground when